Wow, big. So big. Our kitchen, our living room, our pool. So big na walang tao. So we'll go to another room, guys. May CR tayo dito sa baba. And then another room. And then another CR. And then this one. Na-open na yung room natin. The cabinet. And the pool. It's so big, guys. Very big. Ang layo sa villa. So, this is the first room. Then we're gonna go upstairs. Ito tayo sa taas, guys. Hi, guys. Ako lang na-close later. This is our room upstairs. Another toilet. Daghan ng CR, uy. Big, lagi kay siya nga kuan. Kanang black, red is mine. So this is the second, the upstairs room. So very wide. So punta tayo sa next room natin. Next unit. It's too big, guys. Very big talaga. I'll have to go to our second unit. Babalik lang ako. So this is our next room adjacent to our first room. Nandito ang mga kids. Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Our cook. The kids. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog, guys. Welcome. Okay. So, our view to our second. Oh, it's so matigas man. Just later because we have kids. So, memories back. Their master bedroom. Another toilet. So big, guys. Another room with the view of the pool. Hi, gang. Okay ra ka, gang? Uy, it's closed, man. It's alright. So, another toilet. Ang daming toilet. Ang daming toilet. Siya.